income, yung business mo, tinamaan. Or let's say, yung employee mo, tinamaan. You're done. So, kailangan ng plan A, plan B, and plan C. Make sense? Second rule in creating multiple sources of income, never kill the goose that lays the golden egg. So all your sources of income, you check what is your main source. If currently your main source is your JOB, your job, make sure you protect it. Create a sideline that will not affect your current income. Make sense? Kasi kung create an income, tapos yung sideline, income, diba nasisira, hindi pa to stable, baka you will lose hope. So having said that, ako, super excited talaga ako. Warning lang many people followed yung next formula ko and then made them really, what do you call this, financially free. Ready na ba kayo? Yes or no? Yes! So ito yung tinatawag na MGM. Everybody say called MGM. MGM refers to munggo, gulay, and mangga. Munggo, when you plant, toge, after a few days, you harvest. Gulay, 30 days. Lettuce, it's 30 days. And then mangga, it will take you 7 years. Make sense? Yes or no? So when you talk about munggo, it talks about yung mga tinatawag natin na short-term income or daily income. Diba? Yung araw-araw, tapos yung mangga, yung gulay, it refers naman to yung medium and monthly income. And then yung mangga, it refers naman to long-term or annual income. Okay, if you're employed, you have a gulay income, keep it. Pero on top of the gulay income, find another munggo income that gives you the daily pay. So, para mas simple, mahilig ako sumakay sa angkas. And then, pag sumasakay ako, I interview the driver. Sir, part-time or full-time? Part-time, sir. Anong full-time job mo? Hold upper ako. Sa kanto na lang po, sa kanto. Hindi, sinabi yan, security guard mo. So, ako hahati yung oras mo. Sir, pasok ko alas 6, duty ako 7, pag 7, labas ko ng 5, from 5 to 10, ang kasaw. So, how do you manage your income? Every day, kinikita ko yung panggastos ko for food, allowance, pagkain ng anak ko, tapos if not, yung sa aming monthly, sa namin, rental. Tapos, yung sweldo kong buo, hindi ko ginagalaw. Kasi bumili kami ng lupa sa probinsya. So, pag retiro namin dito sa Manila, balik probinsya kami. A security guard na driver, security driver na, as a munggo, gulay, mangga, income. Make sense? Yes or no? Yes. So I believe all of us should also have that type of an income. So right now, do you agree, all of us inside this room, that we need to find an alternative income? Yes or no? Yes. So right now, ito yung request ko yun. Kung maghahanap kayo, it must be aligned to your calling and passion. Mahirap kung pera-pera lang. What do I mean? Kasi yun yung orientation ko nung bata ako . O kami mga single, di ba? Sabi ni mama sa akin, anak, lahat ng kita pwede, lahat ng pwede kita pasok. So, ang mindset ko, konti kita dito, para grupo, laki kita. Pero alam mo kung ano nangyari, konti lugi dito, grupo, laki lugi. By the way, yung mga nagbibideo, request lang, personal lang, huwag ipopost. Kasi madalas po ako nagagamit, ini-splice ang video ko, out of context, tapos nababash na ako, nagigets niya. So, yun nga, I was a jack of all trades, master of none. So, and then, I don't know if you realize this, the more you pursue money in life, the more money will run away from you. Pag ang pera ang habol mo, ikaw nila pang pera sa iyo. But if you pursue your calling and your purpose in life, what you are good at, money will come to you. So, kung gusto mo, maghanap ka, I don't know, sino sa inyo gusto nyo makatulong sa iba? Perfect. Find a business that can help what? That's where profit is. Find a problem, offer a solution, you will have an opportunity. That's what I've learned from my mentor, late mentor, Zig Ziglar. Ang sinabi niya, just help enough other people to get what they want and you will also get what you want in life. What am I doing here? My job here today is not to sell you anything. My job is to open your mind and help you to realize where are you right now in your life and what you want to happen and what are your alternatives. Nagigets niyo? So find something that can really help others. Like sa'yo. And not only that, if you want to start a business with Lois. Kaya hindi nyo papansin, again, kami mga singkit, pag kayo kami negosyo, ground floor, tindahan, second floor, bahay. Bawal ang risk. Kung walang benta, walang rugi, hindi pwede sa bahay. Hindi, kasi hindi na-gets yan eh. Sad to say, mga OFW who made some money, tapos na nagagawin, hindi franchise. Tapos sila nagay sa mall. 6 months, hindi pa bumibenta, rugi. You're bleeding everything. And then not only that, find a business that has low capex. When you say low capex, low yung cash output. Diba yung capital expenditure? Kunyari, coffee shop, diba? Rental, 2 months deposit, 2 months advance. Pagkatapos yan, mag-renovate ka na. Nagigets nyo, huwag mo na yun. Kasi nag-experiment ka pa lang yun, nag-try ka. And then next also, low OPEX. Yung walang operational expense. Di ba wala kang hire na tao? Tama man eh. Kasi bakit mo nag-hire ng tao, wala kang benta. Tapos lahat ng ano mo, kinikita mo sa first income mo, pinapasweldo mo kasi hindi mo kaya bayaran yung operational expense. And not only that, dapat simple. Bakit mo gusto kumita ng additional income? To make life easier or harder? Easier. Exactly. Find an opportunity that will also make your life easier. Hindi yung day one lang stress ka, naghahabol ka. And then also, no need to what? Hire people. Ikaw muna. Diba? Kasi ako, I believe, bago mag-work in some bagay, you have to be a product of the product before you can endorse a product. Do you agree? You got first to believe in the product before you can really share it with others. And, ano pa ba? No need to set up the business process and what? System. Yesterday, I just came from a session. I was speaking to mga business people today. It's called Level Up Finance. Talagang karamihan ng mga negosyante. Do you have any business people here? Anyone who runs a business? Ano isang problema talaga sa negosyo talaga? Ano isang problema aside from sales? Aside from people? Aside from tao?
Kondo.
Don't mention the word government. Sinuko ko na kay Lord yan. Wala na akong magagawa dyan. No, yung alam mo bakit magulo yung negosyo minsan? Yes or no? You want to know? Yes or no? Magulong sistema. Walang system. So imagine mo, yung parang purchasing mo lang, kunyari may restaurant ka, how to purchase, ano tamal, di ba? In pesos. Nakala na ng tao, ganun kasimple. So, mas maganda, if you join, if you start something, plug and play. Everybody say plug and play. Yeah, a lot of people love yung, I'm a favorite of Mac computers. Wala. Plug, play. That's it. Di ba kung PC yan, ang dami mong kakabit. Ang dami, gulo. Ano pa? Mas maganda na rin, may brand. Di ba? Hindi ka mag-uumpisa. Kunyari, mag-uumpisa ka ng sarili mo, ano yung company, di ba? Mabuhay products. Oo. Ganyan yung binibenta sa mga bata.
True. Berdingan.
So, ang hirap, di ba? Honestly, one of the hardest things nowadays is to create your own brand. Agree? Next time, money will trust. So right now, ito yung question. Meron pa pala. Okay, dalawa pa. And then next also, know what?
Education.
Hindi mo kailangan mag-aral muli. Yung from scratch, you have to unlearn, to relearn, and last but not the least, no experience what? Diba? Minsan mas
Sure.
mahirap pa nga mag-apply sa ano, sa Korean corner.
Hindi ko mahal si Ed. Sabi ko Ed, ano pa yun?
Nabalitaan niya. Kailangan English proficient, and you should be good at ano, 1,000 college graduate. Magbibenta ng fries, ganda na qualification. Imagine mo, nag-doctorate ka tapos magbibenta ka lang ng fries. Tapos ang gagawin mo lang, isi-shake-shake mo. Ano ba yan? Ang reality. Question. Meron ba ganong klase ng negosyo? Meron ba ganong klase ng negosyo? No education attainment, no CAPEX, no OPEX, and everything.
Solar life.
Meron ba? Wala? Ito. Sino sa inyo, honestly, hindi kayo sales type? Let me
Ba't nagtatakas ko? Agad tayo.
I've been in sales for over 49 years. I started when I was age 1. Nung lumabas ako sa sinupunan ng anak na ano eh, Doc, bili ka, Doc. No, seriously, I was raised and born from Tondo. Hindi po ako lumaki sa farm. Naalala niyo ba, ha? Yung mga kamukha ko ngayon, medyo lumalaki sa farm, nag-homeschool, mga gano'n, di ba? Di ba, alam? Hindi, yun nga. And then, my father lost his business when I was at grade 6. And the next 3 years were the hardest moments in our lives. And I can still remember during the time when I go to school, during lunchtime, or merienda time, I had to go to the comfort room, not to discharge, but to recharge. I would open my faucet and drink as much water as I can. That would be my meal. Masyado kang ano, I-pour. Ano yung I-pour? Ano yung I sa Tagalog? Mata. Ano yung pour? Pobre. Mata pobre. Ano lang, yun nga. Mahirap maging mahirap. Ibang tingin sa'yo ng tao pag wala ka. People look at you differently and treat you differently when you don't have money. So, at the young age of 12, since I need to earn income, I own my allowance at wala nang ibigay. So, grade 6 ako, I started to go into sales. My first venture was selling toilet paper. And when I was selling toilet paper, this is the first thing that I realized, the reality and the cruelty of life. People you expect to buy will never buy from you, and people you least expect to buy will won't buy from you. People you expect to support you are not the ones supporting you. And people you least expect to support you are the ones supporting you. So, from toilet paper, so pants, shoes, and shirt. Before I reached the age of, in my mid-20s, I did my first business. Don't clap. My story's not yet finished. Baka hindi na kayo mag-clap. No, you know what? Even though I made my first million at a very young age, there was a price to pay. What was the price to pay? I never finished my 4-month schooling. And then, I never finished my 4-month schooling. I can be proud to say that I was the first and last summa cum laude at my campus when I was at grade 6. Now you can clap. Bakit may summa cum laude sa grade 6? Mga I-4 kayo mga I-4. Do you want to know why I was given the title of summa cum laude? Gusto niyo malaman? Yes or no?
Sumasampung taon.
I became the first and last student who was ever to repeat grade 6 4 times. I mastered it. Sumampung taon ako sa elementarya. Kaya nasuma cum laude. Do you know how embarrassing it was for you to repeat grade 6 4 times? Diba, imagine mo, may batch reunion ka, tapos lalapit ang batch mo. Once hindi, ano batch mo? It depends, mamili ka. No, seriously. I was a failure. People look at me as a failure. Who among you have failed in life? Have you failed? Yes or no? Failure is not a person, but failure is a one-day event. In life, it doesn't really matter how many times you fail. What really matters is how many times you bounce back. Have you failed in an exam? Yes or no? Yes. Failed in a business? Yes or no? Yes. Failed probably in your career? Yes or no? Yes. Or failed in a relationship? Sa imong kinabuhi, di ni mahalaga kung ilang beses talaga bumagsak. Ang mahalaga ilang beses ka tumindog. Tinuod ba? Tinudjud? Mga Bisaya there. Kaya nga, ito lang do you want to be proficient in selling? Yes or no? Yes. In my 49 years of selling, I started at the age of 12. Walaan nyo ilang taon na. Okay, kahit
61.
Yeah, I'm 61. Okay na maniwala. Sige, 65 na lang. Para matapos na usapan lang. So, in my 49 years of selling, this is what I realized. You will never fail in life if you don't quit. Second, I realized, for my 49 years of selling, hindi pa ako nare-reject. Lahat bumibili? Hindi. Reject. Kasi in the first place, I will never promote something that I know that will not benefit another person. I'm here to solve people's problem, not to become a burden. Yes or no? Yeah. So if you don't value what I'm sharing, it's not my loss, it's yours.
Kaya pala.
Sila.
That's the reason why I want you to find an opportunity that you can be proud of. Na I'm not begging you.
Nabi kayo kanina.
I'm sharing. Selling is not selling, but selling for me is sharing. You go to a restaurant, you take the picture, you promote. Diba? Bago ka nga kuhain, sandali, napritan, hindi, picture. Nag-post ka, nakita ng friend mo, kumain, sino kumita, restaurant. Nag-OOTD ka, pumunta ka ng Bora, tapos nag-post ka, tapos saan na yan? Muna dito. Nag-promote ka, sino kumita? Diba yung resort? Anong ginawa mo? Nagbenta? Hindi, nag-share ka. Do you feel bad kung hindi sila pumunta? Hindi. Why? Because you know, kung hindi na experience, it's not your loss, it's theirs. Hello? Gets nyo? Again, I'm not here to sell. I'm here to share an idea. After this, you walk out, I don't get additional income fair. Pag-pray ko, lalo kang kamuslim. Hindi ko ba yan, diba? Sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, pag-iisa ng source of income mo. Delikado ka. Now, are you ready to build? Yes or no? Yes. So again, selling is not selling. Selling is what? Kung ayaw mo bumili, okay na. Walang pilitan. How to build your business. Ready? Yes or no? Yes. Ito lang. Bilisan ko Ano na to? Blueprint. Kahit na sumali niyo dito, okay lang. Pero dito, pwede magamit to. Number one, find the right one. Don't find the product to sell. Find the target market you want to help. Doon tayo mag-start. Find a what? Problem and offer A. And you will have another opportunity. Agree? Are you familiar with sige, next. Like for example, marami bang tao mga nangangailangan? Sorry. Yes. Marami bang Pilipino walang ipon? Yes. Marami bang Pilipino nag-retire naghihirap? Yes. May problema? Yes. Oo, yun. So, okay, the solution. Ang first na kailangan, aware ka lang. Katulad na sinasabi kanina ng first speaker. Yung nga pinakita ko sa inyo, di ba, yung lifetime income. Wala pa yung retirement doon. Wala pa yung education doon. Kapatid. Alam naman po natin, di ba? We are just one hospital bill away from financial destruction and stress. Hindi ikaw. Hindi ikaw. Yung magulang mo. Kasi yung magulang mo, kung wala silang pondo, kanino ko yun? Sa akin. My father went through dialysis for 12 years. But it's a good thing by the grace of God, God provided us good income so that we can support and help our parents. But not everyone can afford that. So that's number one. Find the target market. Sa palagay mo, maraming tao na nilalaman tungkol sa financial education, literacy, and planning. That's a big thing point. And sa matter of fact, lahat tayo tatamaan dito. Yan yung gets ng tao eh. Probably, fashion is not my thing. Iba-iba yung fashion natin. Pero yung pera, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin, hindi natin dapat pag-usapan. Kasi araw-araw, gumagamit ka ng pera. Number two is what? Find the right what? Again, problem, solution, and then you will get a what? Product. Find a problem, offer a solution. Or like for example, are you familiar with Grab? Ano sinusolve nito? Ano problema? Diba? Instead of you finding a driver, number one, number two, diba? Hindi mo kailangan bumili ng sasakyan. Nagigets nyo? Yes, mataas, pero kung bibilangin mo yung cost mo, in owning a car, maintaining a car, gasoline, parking, and everything, the stress mismo. Minsan mas practical na lang mag-grab eh. Tama mali. Pero ngayon, kahit na may grab, pero kung nasa middle ka ng EDSA, and I'm really so happy na talagang EDSA right now, talagang wala ng traffic kasi they turned it into a parking lot already. So, talagang ilang oras ka sa EDSA. Hindi, kahit na sa grab ka eh, kung na-trap ka eh, di ba? Wala yan eh. May problema, may solution. Ano yung may solution? Nagigits nyo? May problema, may solution, may opportunity. Pinapahirap lang na talaga natin yung business. So in other words, I would suggest find a product that you don't have to sell. Data, load. Do you need to sell load? Yes or no? No. Ang ganda ng cellphone, wala kang load. Naghanap lang sila ng mga brand. Do you need to sell gas? Gasoline for a car. May nakikita kayo yung gasoline load. Uy, pili na kayo ng gas, parang awa nyo na. Kung hindi tatapos sa kanyo. Pero wala, hindi ito. Ang pinili na lang nila brand. Financial planning, important. Hindi na kailangan pag-usapan yun. Hindi na nare-realize ang tao yan. Whether you like it or not, two things that we cannot avoid in life. Number one is what? Tax. Number two is what? Agree? Tax for the congressman. Are you learning? Yes or no? Yes. Hanap ka ng produkto na talagang hindi na kailangan magpilitin. And then find a product that's based on what? Trends. There's what we call as the sunrise industry and sunset industry. Sunrise pataas. Sunset, baba. Sino sa inyo, may bagong company na nag-open, naghanap sila ng country manager. They're paying a lot, no? But yung Dakota. Ang company na, they're selling pagers. Anyone wants to apply? Kung ikaw nakabenta ka ng paging business right now, yung paging subscription, ikaw na si Lord. Sino magbabayad? Lintex na eh. Tama mali. It's a sunset industry. I don't know if you know my boss. I work for TV5. I was show their coaching positive sa 1PH for almost 15 years already. Ano yung latest business na in-acquire nila from the MVP group of companies? Come on. Ano? Ano sa palagay mo? Ano? Real estate, hindi matagal din. Sila mga nag-acquire ng BGC doon, na binili ng Ayala. ABS, hindi. Meron silang sariling channel, di ba? TV5. Ano yung latest na in-acquire nila business? Ha? Sige, ganito. You have to understand, okay? You have to understand, you have to really study trends. Huwag ka lang sumabay sa uso. Yan ang pag-aralan. Are you familiar with the baby boomers? These are the people who were born in the year 1946 to 1964. 46 to 64. Sino sa inyo mga within those years? Okay na kayo, hindi kayo magtaas kamay. Halata naman. Wait ka lang. Listen to this carefully. This might help you in spotting an opportunity. Anything that you purchase within and target market the baby boomers, this is the growing business. Kasi during 1940 plus, 1944, World War II, remember? Hitler, Asian, Japanese, invading the Philippines. Naalala niyo? So during the time, walang gumagawa ng babies. Kasi mahirap. Papuntis ka pa. Start a family. Time of uncertainty. So walang gumagawa ng babies worldwide. World War II. Pero nung nagkaroon ng world peace noong 1946, during that time, nagkaroon naman ng population boom, baby boom. Kasi everybody was creating babies. Kaya during the early late 40s and early 50s, anong negosyo, what are the big businesses that grew? Baby food products. It's called Gerber. And then, ano sumunod? Lumapos na yung mga diapers. Ano yung sumunod? Nung lumalaki yung bata, Mattel. Ano yung Mattel? Barbie, toys. Diba? During the 60s, late 50s and 60s, kasi wala na sila. During the early 70s, okay, baby boomer, 46 to 70s, sila taon, teenagers sila sa mga 20s. Ano yung mga gusto ng mga teenagers during that time, sa palagay mo? Hindi damit. Hindi aside from damit. Ano, in terms of transportation, vehicle. Anong lumabas during the early 70s ng mga vehicle? Volkswagen, ilang doors? Kasi binata eh. Thunderbird, sports car, Mustang. 70s, 2 doors. Kasi single eh. Nung single na, ano next stage? Pagkatapos sa single, ano next stage?
Married.
They're going to get married. If they get married, what do they need?
Sedan.
Four-wheel drive. So they live in a four-wheel drive. No, the next progression is no. Nagkaroon ng real estate boom in the late 70s and early 80s worldwide. Bumubuo na ng pamilya. Okay, sunod na. Fast forward na lang tayo. 46 to 2026. Ilang taon na? Ilang taon na sila? 70s, 60s, 70s. What does a 60-year-old and a 70-year-old need nowadays?
Oh, for the aged.
Diaper. Wheelchair. Exactly. Ano yung kailangan nila? Healthcare. That's the reason why NDP, alam mo ano yung acquire nila? Pag sa hospital ka, pwede kang kumawan. Oo, senior is 12% ng billion yun. Pinakapatong yun. Magkano yung papatong na ano? 20% o 20%. Do you follow? So if you want to get into ano, follow the trend. And then, ito pa. Gusto nyo isi-sell? Gusto nyo maging mawala? Yes or no? Financial planning can help people. Yes or no? Prevention is better than cure. Di ba sarap ng pakiramdam kung nakakatulong ka sa kapwa? Yes or no? Ito imagine mo, in this opportunity, nakatulong ka na, kumita ka. And then not only that, once you are part also of this business, you can also invite other people to join. And you're also helping people to what?
Very nice.
Like your friends, the reason why they invite you. It's not only to sell you a product or a service. Hindi. Para tulungan ka na kumita ka rin. Tama ba rin? So, ito pa. Ito yung na-realize ko eh. What we're only talking, kasi I have a program that I teach people. Hindi na ito kasama, pero bonus na ito para sa inyo. Kasi sa lahat ng mga nakausap ko, you are one of the most responsive and liveliest crowd that I've ever spoken to. That was compared to yesterday. Sulat nito, wala to wala to sa akin. Sulat nito. It's called CHIP. Everybody say CHIP. C-H-I-P. Kahit ito lang maalala mo, ito lang yung CHIP. I share this to my community. I have a community called TYL. Hindi siya thank you Lord. It's called the Legal Blind Community. 4 things that we complete and fulfill in order for you to have financial peace. Gusto niyo ng peace of mind? Yes or no? Yes. First, C is create money. You should learn how to make money. If you don't know how to make money, wala tayong pag-usapan. Financially stressed ka. Wala kayong mamanage, wala kayong sustain. H, handle. Everybody say handle. Kaya magaling ka mag-create, pag-pour ka sa money management, saving, budgeting, getting out of debt, ubus ka pa rin. It's not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. Do you agree? Yes or no? But it doesn't stop here. Kahit magaling ka mag-create, mag-handle, that's the first half of your life. The next half, you should learn how to invest. Everyone say invest. Why should you learn how to invest? Because the moment you stop working, you stop earning, but you don't stop. Gusto niyo mag-retire one day? Yes or no? There must come a time that you should allow money to work for you instead of you working for money. And last but not least, kahit magaling ka mag-create, mag-handle, mag-invest, but if you fail to do P, everybody say P. And what's P? Protect. Pumus ka rin. Nag-create ka, nag-handle ka, nag-invest ka. Wala kang protection. Na-hospital ka, nagka-COVID, diba? March 2020, magka-hospital bills, hundreds of thousands of millions. So ano nangyari? Kahit ang investment mo, sell at a loss, yung savings mo, goes back to zero. Gets mo? Kung may kulang sa isa, sa palagay mo, magiging okay. O imagine mo, magaling ka mag-create, hindi ka marunong mag-handle, ubos. Magaling ka mag-create, mag-handle, hindi ka marunong mag-invest, hindi ka marunong mag-retire. Magaling ka mag-create, mag-handle, mag-invest, hindi ka nag-protect. Ako, ubos ka pa rin. Hello? Maganda ba itong session na ito? Yes! Say thank you to the one who invited you.
Welcome.
And say thank you to the Solar also. Kaya nga, if you want to find also a product or a service that can help people to protect their what? Earnings. Yung pinagpagkuran nila. Simple yan. Number 1, healthcare. Whether you like it or not, health is wealth. Number 2, retirement money. Yung tumigil ka, may papasok pang income. Yes or no?
Yes.
Last is what? Financial what? Security. Yung wala ka nang iisipin. Gusto niyo yun? Yes or no? In order to fulfill this, aside from finding the right product, finding the right opportunity, ang pinaka-best niya, find the right what?
Partner.
Hopefully, find a company that you can be proud of. Find a company that is reputable. Nagigets niyo?
Yeah.
And then when you say partner also, find the person who invited you. Sana, yung tao na invite sa'yo, gusto mo makasama. Nagigets niyo? Tingnan niyo ulit yung mga tao na invite niyo. Ay, yung mga tao na nag-invite sa inyo. Gusto niyo bang makasama? And last, I'll close and I'll take some questions. What inside is believe that experience is the best teacher? Look at me and listen, and I hope you pick this up. There are certain experiences in life you can charge to experience. Drinking a bad coffee, charge to experience. Watching a bad movie, charge to experience. But there are certain experiences in life you can never say you can charge to experience. Like choosing your husband and your wife.
Grabe mo mga palaki.
Oo. Parang...
Parang ano ah, frustrated.
Oo.
Parang gusto mong palit ng asawa.
Uy, kamusta yung pagiging single parent na sobrang parent ko? Naku, experience talaga is the best teacher. Wala pa akong narinig nun. Uy, ano ka, retire rin, tapos nalugi yung pera ko sa negosyo. Ay, kamusta ang nalugi na isang ay, galing talaga. Experience is the best teacher. OFW ka, 30 years of your hard-earned money. Di ba? Na-invest mo, na-scam ka. O, kamusta isang OFW? Ay, naku, experience talaga is the best teacher. Hello? You want to learn what's the best teacher? Yes or no? Yes. I'm not convinced. Yes or no? Yes. Ba't kayo galit? Nagtatanong lang. Learning from other people's mistakes and experiences, that is the best teacher.
Yes. You don't have to go through.
Sige, ba't yung malakpak? Pwede. Walang shortcut to success, but you can cut short your learning curve if you find the right.
No.
Shout out sa mga taong nag-uumpisa. Pag nag-uumpisa, wala kang choice. No, wala kang choice. Walang pera eh. You're starting. You have to learn from your own mistakes. Pero, listen. Kung ikaw may kinikita ka na, may pera ka na, tapos middle age ka pa, you can never say charge to experience. Why? Una, wala ka ng time. Pangalawa, wala ka ng energy. Susugal mo yung pinaghirapan mo. Ma-zero ka, back to scratch ka. Pag may pera ka na, meron ka na, bayad ka na, hanap ka ng mentor, hanap ka ng coach, hanap ka ng consultant. Do you follow? Yes. I don't think I would have this career right now if it wasn't for my mentor. I don't know if you know him. His name is Francis Kong.
Yeah.
Kilala si Francis Kong?
Yes.
He was the one who trained, mentored me to become a communicator, public speaker. And carried this
siya nga
back for
pala
6
coach
months.
ko.
I did his PowerPoints. Whenever he's
Kaya
about
ako
to resign,
nag-resign.
he'd give me 1 hour and after that,
Kaya ako
he'd
nag-retire
bring me.
because of him.
Nagigets mo?
Applyin ko siya sa networking.
Kaya nga hindi ako magaling. Magaling lang ako kumopya. Hindi ako magaling. Magaling lang talaga ako matuto. So, ito yung again, walang shortcut to success, but you can cut short your learning curve. Maganda ba itong mga pinag-usapan natin? Yes or no? Yes. So next question ko, kaya pagpasok mo dito, yes sir. Madam, naka-selfie ka pero naka-focus, nakikita ilong mo. Hindi full Pagpasok niyo dito, you want to succeed? Yes? Yes. Stick to the people who invited you. Learn from them. Huwag mong sabihin na, alam ko na. Iba kasi yung industry mo sa industry dito. And then, ang pakiusin ko sa inyo, before I finally close, is ang goal. Everyone say goal.
Goal.
For the first 3 months, your goal is not to sell, but your goal is to learn.
Learn. Yes.
Because you got to learn before you earn.
Yes.
Shadow ka muna. Diba? Ano ginagawa? Parang sa driving, nag-gets nyo sa driving.
Yes.
Sa driving, di ba? Tuturuan, seminar. Pagkatapos ikaw na ba mag-drive? Ikaw na mag-drive agad? Hindi. Ang papakita siya ng professional driver kung paano, di ba? Nasa doon siya. Di ba? Pagkatapos, doon ka mag-observe. Pagkatapos yan, palit kayo. Tama mali. Tapos co-coach ka. Tama mali. Pag nakita na okay ka na, doon sa time ko na. Do it on your own. Ganun yung dapat. If you invite some people, and then after that, you show them how to do it. Okay, pag-invite ka lang ako, I'll show you how I do it. And then after that, you share. You share some, ikaw yung opening next time. Ikaw yung middle and closing. So next naman, ako naman yung opening and middle, ikaw naman yung sa nag-guess nyo. And then sometimes, nakita mo na okay na siya, that's time you watch them. So that's how you build it. Now, I would like to share with you my last story. It's about a blind billionaire. What if a blind billionaire approached you and asked you, I cannot see, I want to buy your pair of eyes right now for 10 million pesos. Will you sell? 10 million. 10 million. Will you sell?
Oh.
20, 50, 100, 200, 500 million.
Isang mata lang.
Papayag na ako, papayag na ako. Alam mo gagawin ko, Chinese ako eh. Tatagapin ko, pagkatapos niyan, bibili na ako sa iba. Bibili ako ng isa, bibili ako ng pangalawa. O, di ba? Bibili ako sa ng 10 million, nakita pa ako 480 million. Chinese eh, Chinese. No, how come? Yung price na lang 500 million and you're not willing to sell? Kasi you know your true value. The value of being able to see the whole world. How come you're not willing to sell your pair of eyes for 500 million? How come you're settling for less for your salary? Alam mo, value mo pala 500 eh. Ba't ka pumapayag sa ganitong kita? Nalingits nyo? And admit it or not, people are only going to pay you based on what you think you are worth. If you feel that you're worth 20,000 a month, people will pay you 20. If you feel you're worth 50, people will pay you 50. If you feel you're 100,000, people will pay you 100. Nagigets nyo? With this opportunity, the good news is, it's not limited by time. Kasi hindi siya, you work 8, you get 8, 12, you get this one, you get paid by results. The more results, the more you earn. Maganda? Yes or no? So right now, may Q&A ba tayo? Do we have Q&A? Ha? Ha? O sige, let's do Q&A. Sige, let's do this fast. Let's do Q&A. And then after Q&A, may maganda akong balita sa inyong lahat dito ngayon. Okay, but before sige, prepare the Q&A. Ito yung tanong ko sa inyo. What if I will give you an opportunity to teach you how to sell? Sino sa inyo magiging interesado? Lahat ng selling techniques ko, FYI, I'm not a teacher. Paki-out na to sa live feed. Paki-cut na. Paki-cut na yung live feed. So, I don't know, okay lang. Pero isa live yung video. Pakitanggal na. Okay. So again, guys, when I was selling real estate, I sold 65 units in 30 days. When I was selling financial products, I sold, our team sold 1 billion new sales collection in 1 year. And you know, I write books right now, right? One of my books, Dialogue of Bulugi, over 2 million people purchased that book already. So, you know what? Ito yung nag-analyze ko sa sales. Aside from selling is what? Products change, services change, but the sales process never change. Prospecting, setting appointment, presentation, closing, follow-up. Prospecting, setting appointment, presentation, closing, follow-up. prospecting, like for example, sa real estate, money to vote, hiring, di ba? Personal, after that, you set an appointment, after that, you do treating, after you do treating, you present, you close, after you close, you build relationship. Ganun din, nagigets nyo, master po process. Gusto niyo matutunan yung process? Yes or no?
Yes.
Later, I'll show you how. And number 2, what if I can give you an opportunity to have a group coaching session with me? Sino sa inyo interesado? And it's for free.
Wow.
Sino sa inyo interesado? Mamaya, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung bakit. No? So right now, I'll take in a few questions quickly, and then after that, I'll tell you how. Any questions, please? Raise up your hands.
Ang gating.
Go ahead. Your name? Paki-open lang yung mic. Yeah, go ahead. Tulungan. Paki-open yung mic. Any technical people from here?
Hello, Coach. Magandang araw.
I know you. Yeah.
Yes, my name is John, Coach.
Yeah.
Coach, question. I have a network. Nakilala ko na may husky. So, pag ganyang